What if you could turn real objects into perfect 3D models in seconds? Meet the Creality Otter Lite Wireless 3D Scanner. This compact device brings high-precision 3D scanning to your workflow without the complexity. With up to 0.05 millimeters accuracy, it captures fine details with impressive clarity. Perfect for creators, engineers, and anyone working with 3D printing. And speed? Thanks to real-time scanning at 30 frames per second, you can scan objects quickly and smoothly. No delays, no interruptions. One of the biggest advantages is flexibility. The Otter Lite works with objects of different sizes, from small to larger items. And because it's wireless, you're not tied to a desk. Move freely and scan from any angle. Control is simple. With Wi-Fi and mobile support, you can manage scans directly from your smartphone or tablet. Easy, intuitive, and efficient. The result? A powerful, portable 3D scanner that fits into your workflow wherever you are. If you want precision, speed, and freedom in one device, the Creality Otter Lite is a smart choice. Check the link in the description to learn more.